Hello everybody, welcome back to Mr. P channel. In this video we're gonna go and continue our walkthrough Linux on DeX. In this video I'm gonna try the built-in Office program called LibreOffice 5. So let's go and start using it. Before I will go and start using it, I would like to point out that inside SD card I have a folder called LoD share. What this folder means I explained in a previous video, but inside there I have a couple of folders for my previous video left as a test, and I have a book 2, document and presentation. Book 2 was created using Excel Online. Basically what I mean by Excel Online is you go to office.com and you sign in with your Office 365 account. You have option to use Excel inside the browser. So I used that Excel in browser to create book 2 Excel file. The same I done with Microsoft Word, and the same I done with Microsoft PowerPoint. So I had like a dummy files created by Microsoft Office program, and we're gonna see if they can be opened using LibreOffice on my Linux on DeX. So if I minimize that, open Linux on DeX, and click run. So let's wait until it loads. And we're gonna try to see if a LibreOffice can open these. So here we go. My file manager and terminal opens up. Right. Okay. So LoD share external. This is my SD card inside my Note 9. If I go inside there, I have these folders that you saw in the Samsung File Manager, and this is my files. So open with. This is not a problem. Open with, it says as well, open with as well. So I'm gonna go into applications. Under Office I have these files here. So we're gonna, this is basically opens the main one where you can select either of these. I'm just gonna go one by one and we're gonna see what we can do. So LibreOffice Calc, this is an alternative to Microsoft Excel. So I got this opened, and obviously this presented with my similar to Microsoft Excel layout. So I have the columns, rows, and obviously I have all the necessary features for me to create the tables or do data crunching, calculating, and etc things. So let's say I'm gonna write date, miles, liters, price. So okay, 2018. Actually it's a second already, a third. Anyway, that's fine. One thing to point out, if you write this way, this is 13th of December 2018, but if I'm gonna write this, it's actually 12th of January 2018. Basically it's I need to change the region inside this program to know exactly what kind of date formatting it needs to use. So I'm gonna format cells, default language USA. I just need to find United Kingdom in this list. Okay, now it says 12th of January, and why this one don't want to work? Oh, there you go, now it's fixed. So it's right now 13th of December. In UK, obviously United States has a different date formatting. They give month, date, year. In here in UK it's a date, month, year. Other countries might do it a different way, but formatting works, and I found formatting cells exactly what I would expect to find, and that's where I'm going on Excel. If I'm using Microsoft Excel, always there is an option for me format cells. So that's fine, not a problem. Let's see if I can get open that file that I saved on my SD card. So LoD share external SD card book 2. This is file by the, like I said, created using Excel. Open up. And go, welcome to Excel. That's what I punched in when I was creating this file inside on Excel Online, and no problems saving this file and using it inside the LibreOffice. And under File, Save As, I might have an option for different file formats. So that's all the file formats I can actually save. I can save on as a Microsoft Excel 2017 or 2007 or 2016. Even older ones, Microsoft Excel 97, oh my goodness, in 2003. A lot of text CSV, bingo. So comma separated values, Very, very good, very good. So far, I can see that this program runs perfectly on my DeX station and gives you everything what you need to create tables, do data management, creating databases and whatnot with this. So that works pretty well. Let's close all that. No, I don't want to save it. Next is documents. So Office, and I go to LibreOffice Writer. This is Microsoft Word alternative, running straight away, snappy, no problems, no loading, just you click and play. So hi everybody, I don't see any problems. I mean, no input lag, nothing. So literally very, very, very good. So let's try to let's create hello world, and let's select this text, style, heading 1. Do I want to center it? Yes. Do I want to increase a bit more? Okay, that went a bit smaller, 80. Okay, can I start writing something like okay, it gives you a preview of numeric. So turn on, smile, subscribe, and I misspelled subscribe. Okay, so mistake and writing corrections working, not a problem at all. And obviously all the settings that what you expect inside that such a program, and it's quite a lot of them. I mean, this is very, very good alternative. This is one of the best alternative for Microsoft Office programs inside the Linux, and it's running on my phone. Unbelievable, it's running on my phone. So I cannot believe that basically I'm not a Linux fan. Well, I wasn't a Linux fan until I started using this one. This is just, and literally I got this phone just a couple of days ago, and it already blows my mind every time when I'm trying to do something and I open up. Next one, a presentation. So expect is gonna open with LibreOffice Impress. So this is like a PowerPoint alternative for Microsoft Office. So it gives me slides on the left, layout on the right, and the text is what I need to put in there. Hello world, it goes in there, and you can do all these things and create a presentation with no problem at all. And under, so let's write this, smile. So F5 should bring, I know F5 inside the Microsoft PowerPoint brings the preview. So if I press F5 on a keyboard, same thing. So you go through slides, no problem. And let's see if it opens my presentation that I created using Microsoft PowerPoint. This is PowerPoint. Brilliant. So that works, not a problem at all. So these were created using Microsoft Office, and they're opening, not a problem at all. What we not tried is a draw, LibreOffice Draw. So you can draw a shape. The shape is here. Okay, let's do a star here, and let's do a connection from here. I quite like that this automatically pins to where it needs. So if you're creating something like a chart to represent your company, the way it's planning to create a new product, or something like you have an idea and you want to start from the core, this is the lining up. I quite impressed about this auto lining up. So this is very, very neat, very nifty thing to use, and to, like I said, create a chart for you. Quick look, do I have a template? Draw. Don't think if it's brings in a template. Oh, actually there is template. Manage templates. Okay, so spreadsheet, presentation, drawing. So this is a template. Okay, so import. So under spreadsheets and the documents I have couple of, under presentation I have couple of templates, but not that huge amount of what I would find if I will use Microsoft Office programs. But I don't think that's a big deal breaker. and if you press Control W, it acts as a close. Very good. Keyboard shortcuts working as well. That's very, very good. Math. This is more like creating and representing the math formulas on side, like on the piece of paper. So if I'm gonna do this plus this, so 5, 5. Okay. Next would be something a bit more functions. So this is okay. I don't think if what I'm writing is correct, mathematically correct, but still I'm checking what you can actually functions. Okay, we got that one open. Operations, here we go. Bam. So you delete this and you have a big formula here, and control the mouse wheel zooms in and out. Very well. Very, very, very well. So if you're trying to represent a mathematical formula, so x out of 5, sum of, I don't know, this is gonna be like this number or something. Brilliant. Works again. I'm not sure if this is correct, mathematically correct, but it does the job. And save as, just have a look what format is. So it gives me ODF format, formula, or math ML. Okay. I'm not really, well, LibreOffice I used a bit, but it was a while ago. I think I had like a version 4 or version 3, and I can see this has moved up a bit in let's say functionality, because it used to be a bit I used to have a bit of pain to actually do something with this. Quick look under LibreOffice. So I opened the main one. It gives me a presentation, and the book 2. I know that this is PowerPoint because I created this file, and this is Excel. It doesn't really gives you like a thumbnail overview, so it's a bit hard to judge which one is which unless you just hover the mouse and gives you blah 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 /book 2.xlsx. So there's an option for databases, but I don't think that's working because I'm clicking and nothing happening. So math formulas, drawing, impression, calc, and board. Under templates you have all these. So presentation template, okay, vintage, and that's it. So it's a first slide. Not bad. So LibreOffice on Linux on DeX works like a magic, and it obviously opens Microsoft Office files with no problem at all. Very good, very good. Can be very productive program. I mean, you take your phone, your Note 9 or Galaxy S Tab S4, turn it into a DeX station, because tablet can go into DeX station pretty much with a one button click or something, but the phone, you plug it into your work monitor, you connect the Bluetooth keyboard and a mouse, and you do a bit quickly. You want to do something like, oh, he told me I need to write my I don't know, travel expenses. So okay, let's open this. So date, from to miles cost. So oh yeah, I was traveling on 11th of March 2018 from, I don't know, New York City, and I was going to Washington DC. I don't know, that's how you, I don't know how many miles. This miles, and it cost me $75. Obviously it's not true, but you can do a quick document creating on this. You've done this, you file, save as, you save it into a LoD share, internal storage, external. I like in this external. I got the big chunky SD card in there, so I can leave it there. So I'm gonna say travel cost. What format I would like to save? Old format, why not? Click save. Yes, use that. Exit. So Linux on DeX closes, and now I take my phone and go to there, and I have my travel cost, which I can open inside Microsoft Excel Android version or online or Google Docs. I mean, productivity is limitless. Very, very good. I'm impressed. I am impressed about this, how all this set up yet. And Linux on DeX, by the way, is still in beta, so amazing things are coming. I hope. I wish. Yeah, Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one where I'm going deeper into Linux and DeX. And at the same time, like you know, I'm testing apps and games on various Android devices. Don't forget to click like and subscribe, and I'll see you in a new video. Bye bye.